Okay, I've been working on this for about 15-20 minutes and using crayons, because I told you guys yesterday you had to switch to crayons, and I've been having pretty good results. It's not perfect, but this is what I would expect yours to look like for full credit. And I just tried using a regular Ticonderoga eraser. And for example, right here, it got a little too dark. And so I'm able to go in and erase that just a little bit. So you can do that today. And if you want something to be a little lighter, you can always erase. And then you want to check and make sure that you get the color off of your paper. So you can use something like this to check, like a scrap piece of paper, and then go in and make sure the lights are really light. I'm just gently rubbing away some of the color. And then I would take my eraser and make sure it's clean. And I'm not using a ton of the eraser, so you should be able to just use one in each class. So this one, I can just make sure I have dark, medium, and light. So I'm gonna demonstrate on this one. I'm gonna demonstrate with an orange. You're just gonna outline the letter with the crayon, and then you can go in and make it darker and lighter. So here I am with my really heavy, pressing really hard, dark value. Again, when you want it dark, you press really hard, and when you want it light, you press lightly. So right here, after I've gone really dark, I'm gonna barely touch the crayon to the paper to get a really nice back and forth light. And the good thing about crayons is this would take a lot longer with colored pencil. So you should be able to get done pretty quickly today. So right now I just have dark and light. If you want to get full credit, you've got to try to get that medium value, which I've got going right there. That medium value. And this one, I don't think I have to go back in with the eraser unless I really wanted to. And I'm gonna leave that highlight. I think that looks nice. I just have one letter left and a panel of value if I wanna even this out. These are some leaves for kindergarten tomorrow. So I'm going dark to light, so I'll probably flip it here. Good luck, they're due today.